So you've decided on white cabinets, but there are many other things to consider and shop for. Things like countertop, backsplash, appliances, sinks, and even flooring are things to consider. These might make you run back and forth trying to decide which option looks best with your white cabinets. Here are some options for both traditional shaker cabinets and modern flat panel cabinets. American style, white shaker. The most popular style cabinet out there, while shaker features a clean flat door with a recessed center panel. Even though it is the most versatile option for cabinets and works with any colors, we'll explore some of the popular combinations. Countertop. When it comes to contrast, some prefer not to add too much separation. Some popular options are marble or quartz with a light veining. If one chooses to add contrast, a simple flat gray will add a simple line of separation. Going too complex with detailed granite may stand out too much, shifting the attention focus from the cabinet straight to the countertops. The third best option are butcher block countertops. Light tone wood adds a very light layer of contrast without distracting the homeowner's eye. Backsplash. The versatility of white shaker cabinets shines with backsplash choices. All options one may consider is fair game. Tile, quartz, and even marble create an elegant transition from your countertops to your wall cabinets. The best results are neutral colors that don't stand out. Avoid colors that pop out like yellow or red, as they will distract from the rest of the kitchen. Appliances. There is nothing wrong with stainless steel appliances. They are preferred as the standard option for most homeowners. You can reduce the amount of visible stainless steel by incorporating some appliances as a built-in option. A typical slide-in range can be broken up into a wall oven and a stove top or induction stove. The microwave can either be used as a range hood or built in alongside the wall oven or even a standalone in a cabinet. Sink. There are many choices. The most common choice most preferred to choose are stainless steel undermount sinks. Unlike drop-in sinks, undermount sinks are much easier to clean. Easily sweep food debris into the sink basin to rid of spills or leftovers from food prep. Caulking around the sink is not visible, meaning it won't yellow from water. Lastly, cleaning stainless steel is easier than porcelain. It is more durable and less prone to cracking as porcelain. A popular trend with white shaker cabinets are farmhouse sink basins. They are undermount sinks, with a large exposed front basin. These allow one to maximize the workspace and not sacrifice the sink size with two smaller basins. Flooring. Among the plethora of flooring options, hardwood floors are amongst the most popular amongst homeowners when it comes to white shaker cabinets. They add a hint of wood grain to the kitchen and the lighter tones brighten up the kitchen, circulating the light. These complement butcher block countertops, so try finding matching wood tones to get the best match. European style, white gloss, matte white. European cabinets focus more on minimalism with clean sleek lines. There are no recessed or raised doors, rather a flat panel door. The most common finishes are gloss or matte. White gloss will reflect more light around the kitchen than matte white. Countertop. White and gray are the two most popular colors when it comes to European cabinets. They are seen amongst many cabinet stores like IKEA that carry European-style cabinetry. Thus, it's not uncommon to see these two colors complement each other as they are both neutral tones. They work together so well there are many Tom will do a waterfall countertop on the sides of the cabinets or kitchen island to reflect this. Backsplash. Tile backsplash or full quartz backsplash are popular options. Especially with the dark tone of countertops, full backsplash really shines with separation between the base and wall cabinets. When choosing white gloss cabinets, avoid glass tiles as it will have too many reflective surfaces going on in the kitchen. Appliances. Stainless steel is the most common choice amongst appliances, as they are typically readily available at your local hardware store. When working with European cabinets, many trend to panel-ready appliances for the refrigerator and dishwasher to keep the seamless aesthetic continuing throughout the kitchen. Sink. When it comes to the sink, European styles do not trend to a farmhouse sink. The popular options are stainless steel basin sinks. The steel aspect complements the modern aesthetic without standing out too much. Flooring. Dark options work best with white cabinets in modern spaces. Typically a darker shade of gray or darker hardwood floors add a nice layer of contrast to the white finished cabinets. Even with these recommendations, white cabinets are the most flexible options out there. Don't be limited by what others think or whatever trend is going on. When shopping for all the rest of the kitchen, purchase a sample door. The sample door reflects the same cabinets you will end up purchasing for your project. You can then compare the door with the other elements needed to be purchased to mix and match in your kitchen.